Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make peanut butter cookies using an easy method. First, gather your ingredients. 1 cup of creamy peanut butter, 1 cup of granulated sugar, and 1 large egg. Make sure your oven is preheated to 350 degrees Fahrenheit. This simple recipe comes together quickly, so having everything ready makes the process smooth and enjoyable. Now let's mix. In a medium bowl, combine the 1 cup of creamy peanut butter and the 1 cup of granulated sugar. Stir these together until well combined. Then, crack in your 1 large egg and mix until the dough is smooth and uniform. Once mixed, roll the dough into small 1-inch balls and place them about 2 inches apart on an ungreased baking sheet. Before baking, take a fork and gently press down on each cookie ball, creating a classic crisscross pattern. This not only looks great but also helps them bake evenly. Place the baking sheet into your preheated oven and bake for 10 to 12 minutes, or until the edges are lightly golden brown. Once baked, let them cool on the sheet for about 5 minutes. After the initial cooling, carefully transfer your delicious peanut butter cookies to a wire rack to cool completely. This ensures they firm up perfectly. Once fully cooled, they are ready to be enjoyed. Store any leftovers in an airtight container at room temperature for up to 5 days to maintain their freshness. Also, be sure to check the description below for a link to the Echo Dot smart speaker and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.